What's the meaning of Blenheim Palace? Blenheim Palace. Blenheim Palace.
Blenheim Palace. Blenheim Palace. Blenheim Palace is a monumental country house located in Oxfordshire, England that was built in the early 18th century. It is notable for being the birthplace of Sir Winston Churchill, who was born there in 1874. The palace was commissioned by Queen Anne as a gift to John Churchill, the first Duke of Marlborough, for his victory at the Battle of Blenheim in 1704. The palace features ornate Baroque architecture, extensive gardens, and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is also frequently used as a location for filming movies and television shows due to its impressive historical significance and grandeur.